Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset any iPhone, step-by-step guide. Before we begin, make sure you have backed up your important photos, videos and files. Factory reset will erase everything from your device. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. I'm going to check what is my software. iOS, you can see the software I am running, and this setup should work on any iOS. Okay, so if you go back to settings, scroll down and tap Journal. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will display a summary of data that will be removed. Tap Continue. You may be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. You might also need to enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. Once you confirm, the reset process will begin. Your iPhone will start and erase all data, settings, apps, photos and personal information. Depending on the amount of data on your device, this may take a few minutes. When the process is complete, your iPhone will start and display the hello screen just like a brand new device. There is a bonus tip. If your iPhone is frozen and not responding, you can perform a forced restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And that's it. You know how to factory reset any iPhone safely and easily. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials and how to guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.